Hey friends, so we are in our volume 2, which is our first time in it. So you need to look for the new workbook that went home over a month ago. So it's going to say volume 2 on the front cover in the bottom corner. And this is the first page in that workbook. And the story that you read yesterday was A Mr. Rubbish Mood. That is also in your New Journeys book, which is the green one. That's a hardcover book. So maybe you read it in the book or maybe you listened to it on the link, but either way, this workbook goes with the green hardcover. All right, so we are working with our words that are air, ear, and are. So we're going to fill in the correct word on the line. So let's read through our words. Airfare, airline, dairy, prepare, like if someone's going to prepare you lunch. Hear, pear, that's a fruit. Share, you know that one. Tear, that also could be tear. Okay, like I shed a tear or I tear the paper. Then I have wear, I wear my clothes, and year. All right, so we are going to do the first one together and then I'm going to let you guys fly on your own on this one. Number 1, the blank has 10 airplanes. Well, I see these two words right here, okay? The airfare, that's like what you pay to go on a plane. The airline would be like Southwest would be an airline. So the airline is the correct one because it says the airline has 10 airplanes, okay? So you will finish that page and then you will meet me on page 5. All right, this is our spelling word sort. So we are going to be focusing on the basic words, okay, which is these words right here. So we're going to read through those, but then we're going to sort them by their sound. So we're looking for the air sound, the ear sound, and as like in fear, spelled E-A-R. This is air sound spelled E-E-A-R. Then we're looking for air spelled R, like that, okay? Air, it's air spelled air, okay? So it has the air sound. I think we better do one in each section just so you know, because this could be a little confusing. All right, let's read through the words. So our first one is air, wear, chair, stairs. It's like a tongue twister here. Bear, like my bare skin, and then at bear, like the animal. Hair, care, pear, like the fruit, and then pair, like a pair of shoes. Share, near, ear, and beard. I think it'll be fine if we do one in each section. You guys will get the hang of it. All right. Always know that when this is what you're looking for, this part right here. So air spelled with A-I-R. I'll highlight those so this is what you're looking for on the list. Okay? Right? All right, here we go. First one, we're looking for air spelled air. Well, the first one, right? Because that has A-I-R in it. That's the word. So A-I-R. All right. So you're going to be looking for the words that have A-I-R. Okay, you'll see those on the list. Then when I get to the next section, I'm looking for words that have E-A-R in them. The same sound as fear, so like ear. So the first one is wear, no. Looking for how about bear? Nope, because it has to have that ear sound. Care, pair, share, near. Ooh, near has that ear sound, doesn't it? Near. Can you hear it? So you're looking for that ear sound. And actually they are using the review and challenge. I apologize. So I'm going to give you a clue and I'm going to tell you there's a review word right here and a challenge word right there. There's also a challenge word down here. And this one is an X, because I usually tell you that, so you're not searching for another word. But the rest of them are all going to be filled in. All right, let's go to this section right here. Now we're looking for air, spelled air. So I look at the top of my list. I start going down. I see where, air. Do you hear that? So you're looking for the E-A-R, but it sounds like air. All right, and then let's do one in the next section. We're looking for air spelled A-R-E. So air, but it's spelled with the A-R-E. Start going down my list looking for A-R-E. Oh, here's one right here. So that's my first one. Okay, and then you're going to find your other ones. And then don't forget about that challenge word as well. Okay, and then you will be good. It says which word cannot be added to the sort. Okay, I'm going to give you a hint that it's a review word right here. Okay, you do not need to do that part. And that is page 5 for today, guys. Thanks.